Today's seminar or briefing is first our intention to extend our invitation to the Slovenian business people, commerciant, to attend the annual Indonesian Trade Expo, which is the largest international trade fair in the region, in the whole of Southeast Asia. But more than that, we are also inviting Slovenia in general and Slovenian business people to be part of our national development, to be part and to improve the cooperation between our two countries. Since this year we are celebrating the anniversary of the 20 years of our bilateral relations. And we would like to take this opportunity to invite Slovenia and Slovenians to be part of our national development, national growth, and also our national friendship to the international community. And we hope that my briefing this morning has managed to provide the necessary information regarding all the progress and economic potential that has been achieved so far in Indonesia, considering that in the last 3 years we have achieved a steady economic growth of more than 6%. And when we talk about Indonesia, we talk about size. Size does matter, and of course, when we talk about size, we automatically talk about business opportunities, and this is opportunities that we would like to offer to our Slovenian brothers.